Hi, I'm Daren from Manchester House Media, and we're here at Three Wise Monkeys Ipswich to talk to Sean and Adam about how things are changing. So we're going to have a quick word with Sean, aka the Gaffer. We're going to find out what's changed here at Three Wise Monkeys Ipswich.
So we're situated at Lloyds Avenue, opposite the town hall. So fairly easy to find, well I'd like to think so. Under the arch, straight up Lloyds Avenue, there's a taxi rank there. Yeah. Obviously there's different guidelines and measurements the government have taken. So we're now deploying a host on the front door, just someone to greet, welcome people when they come in. We have got an app that is free to download. You can book tables on there, you can order from your table. Gym bar, yes, so we're operating that on a Friday and Saturday. A massive selection of gyms. I'd love to reel them off to you, but there's too many. Yeah, so gym lovers, that is a top place to be.
Why don't we take a look in the kitchen and find out what's going on?
Majorly prepping today. We were so busy last night, so it's just making sure we've got enough for today and everything prep fresh daily. So it's a case of getting in and just hit the ground running, really. Well, basically, the government have introduced, they're trying to get people to go out and sort of support restaurants and spend their money again, basically. So you get up half price up to a tenner, I believe. So if it's like a group of four of you, go out, you get 40 quid off your bill. Been quite busy this week, which is good. I'm hoping there's a lot of people that haven't been to us before that have been and will return.